put me around a table and teach me nothing, you know. No, I the struggling when me face me learn from.
Lot you teach people.
Alright, remember good no man? I the struggling.
You never gonna college.
Never gonna college.
You was scholar about your knowledge no shallow.
Remember good man. Yeah man.
Yo.
Nobody not take me and sat me down on a table and say, bawdacat, this is right from wrong. You understand me?
Yeah.
So when you grow up, you try to keep on this track. No one never there if you do that. I look and learn and listen. And tell myself, say, brother, some way, someday, oh, you have to take yourself out of this, you know, and try to elevate some other people out the top. Because of this, you see it as. And them see it now, they reach, yeah. Yeah, man. Promise fulfilled to me. Yeah. Because I always tell myself, say, I need to bandage, you know. Always I tell myself in my growing up, say, me underneath and bandage. This is not me. This is not what me supposed to be. Me supposed to be more than this. I mean, I don't know if a man think that about for themselves. Me think that about myself. I mean, no see it happen. So me I tell myself, say, then this is what? It's a bandage, but I know something me can explain to you and tell yourself, say, me handle one bandage. Me can't tell you, you know.
Can't tell me.
No, me
know.
just know me feelings.
Feeling, yeah, how you feel.
Right, me have a feelings when me feel say me underneath a bandage.
Yeah, like what me I explain to you, me just come here.
Alright.
Say come here, me free.
Free. You're
I'm
free
up
now,
with family
yeah.
again.
Right.
I have the feeling that I come here to have.
Remember good no man, you get back your freedom where you didn't look for.
True, man.
Yeah man, it's dead for the whole of we now. It's dead for the whole of we in the earth. But it's just a man to fulfill his mind where he want to be in a life. Because sometimes some people might see things going ups and down, you know, and tell themselves, say, all is well is not my journey, that, you know. But when me I go do, success, life are the greatest. So you see, if you maintain life, sometimes you have to take on some hard journey, you know. Where you are going to give up on life journey.
Nah, give up, man.
Alright, you have to take on the journey. Maybe a 1 more inch moment for this better day, you know. Give up round you. So what happened? You never live to reach it.
True,
Yeah, man, bear your struggling, no, man, and face your roughness, man. Face your rough time. Nothing no come easy.
Nothing.
You see what me I say? So just face your rough time. No try to give up. In the heart of your sickness, everything you just tell yourself, say, brother, all when the last minute and the moment left, Father, you tell yourself, say, me and the one we are going to come out of this. And what can stop you from come out? You understand me? Yeah, come out of it. Oh, you mean if me I come out? Oh, I'm telling you, man, me I come out, man. Yeah, man, me I come out of it, man. Me I take out myself. Yeah, man. You have to have that in you. Yeah.
Yeah, but we never do it alone.
Alright.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you.
It happen.
It have to happen, man. It have to happen, because you don't know, you know. You a tell yourself, say you have to come out, you know. But deep in yourself, you don't know where it a come from.
Where it come from, uncle.
Alright, but it have to happen.
But it happen.
Oh, you mean it have to happen, man. Yeah, man.
Where it come from.
It have to happen, man. And many more people can tell yourself, say, them see them dream as that.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Real life where you tell yourself something, I know it go happen from me, you know, but my life a bit be better someday, you know, if I saw it set, you know. It have to reach out to it, you know. You can't give up, man. You can't give up, man. You have a aim, you know. Each man have that in a life, you know.
Give up is not an option.
Oh. Something have to go on and have to happen, brother. Yeah, man. A one life me have and me can't live it twice, you know. Me only can live it once. And me want a man to understand. You understand me? You can't live this twice. You only can live it once, brother. So the dear is the life come with face where you have every day I live with you. And that you have to live. Nothing but you know no fucking time after nor no when. And this are the time now where you have to live your life. You understand me? Don't know the one time man of the life, you know. Make that folks not away and from you and so on, you know, who can know why you be here and why you been through again in the life. Yeah? No one ever know that. No one can recall from that, say boy. The God pass and gone, but him have a better life tomorrow. Which one now we can count on that? Fuck. Eh? We have to live this once. Once we have to live this, yeah. So if I preach, you have to preach it, you have to just preach it, you understand me? And if I sleep, you have to sleep it, brother. And if I wear, you have to wear it. And if you have to eat it. And if you have to drink it, just drink it. And this idea once. You see me? Yeah, man, some people now go get that knowledge and the understanding still, you know. Some people just fucking ups and down. Like a upside down something there. What they call them? Them something were flying at the fucking air at night.
Oh,
Yeah.
bat them.
They bat them. Yeah. Remember good no man? Rat bat.
Them brains upside down.
Alright. Yeah. Remember good man.
Oh.
I real talk, me I tell you man.
That's it, well.
Look at this, you know, brother. You tell yourself, say you see earth, you want a little dwelling place in a earth where you can build one little castle. Where you tell yourself, say that little castle is a castle of mind. You want to live comfortably, you want to live happy. So you see, if another man have a castle over this or around this or out this or over this or up this, you don't want to see him live happy too, you know. Deep in your heart and your mind, you tell yourself, say, that little man fear live happy, but him not thinks about you. You understand me? Him a think say your life is fucking miserable. Every day of your life, then where him a go? Where the blood clot him a go in the earth, eh? Where him a go? Which part him going reach? You see what I say? You will blaze up in a brother, but you must fucking out. Remember good, you know, man. Yeah, man, so just you have to think the best of yourself and people same way, brother. Nobody tell yourself, say, all is about yourself. You want good, clean, pure water to drink. Why me fi drink the dirty one? Remember, you know, the good, clean, pure water good for you, you know. So when you tell yourself, say, no good for me? Eh? The dirty one are the best for me. I hate me for live fun. Yeah, man, and that you design for me, you that will never blood clot up. Now you are going to end up drink that dirty fucking water the way you design for me. You are going to end up drink that. Yeah. Yeah, man, you are end up drink that fuck. So me no dig ditch for people. No time.
I dig one for yourself.
Then you must and me no plan for dig that for myself. So
So
me not dig none for no man. Definitely, bro. Yeah, man. Who is me if you come and dig ditch for you or who me? Me know what me know about you. What you done to me, so. Me not need that, brother. No, man. Me need to open a gate of mine. And that me need. Me need to open a gate of mine. When me know say, yes, this is my gate and me a open. Then know my gate, me can let in who me want to let in. Where the fuck me a dig ditch? But ditch not something where bury and kill you and sink you. Then me wish that for you.
Dig one ditch, I will drop in there with them.
Remember good no man? That's why me tell them say the man will try to rise a weapon against another one. It's just the weapon where you rise against yourself, you know. And the worst fucking weapon can joke you.
True, man.
That heal can't well. That sword can't heal. You joke yourself to death. You understand me? Yeah, man, me not do so, man. Me not do so in a life, man. Me go gambling and me sit down with man and gamble with my money when me work for hard money, you know. You got a thing a joke, me I tell you, you know.
No, I do, man.
Me wish for you win a game, you know.
Yeah,
Then,
I mean.
me wish for
No, I
you
don't.
win a fucking
Yeah, I
game.
win to make you feel good.
Alright, brother. Me
Yeah.
wish to see you win a game.
By
To you,
one
man.
game.
Alright. You think me
Win.
tell myself, say me I go set my money and me want to just a win,
straight.
so?
No, me not going straight.
No, man.
Would
This
I
is
like to
not
win
my
straight,
9
but
to 5
me
when
not
me
going
tell
straight.
myself, say a job, you know.
True. Just
So-
enjoyment.
Just a enjoyment.
Like a
So the
hobby.
more
See,
game
when
me
I go
win,
smoke,
and the more me
it's a hobby.
enjoy the game. And the same for you.
More make you want to play.
If you now win no game, you go enjoy this
No,
game.
you not go want
Where
to
the
play like that.
enjoyment there for you.
True, man.
You understand me? You just continue losing straight. You get an enjoyment. No, the enjoyment not there, so.
Or get fed up.
Yeah, man, you have to win and a lose and a win and a lose and lose and a win. And that's how we have a joy. Where the fuck me I go tell myself say me want to just a win from 6 o'clock this morning to start gamble till 6 evening.
Yeah.
Then I me want have joy. Yeah man, I me alone want have joy and happiness man. Fuck you. Life not be like that, brother.
No.
You know set up so. People just can't understand, brother. Remember me tell you so. Me tell a man say, make the flow flow, brother. And make it continue. Yeah, man. Me is always there to see it, always here to hear it. Yeah, man. Me not forget it, man. Remember good so happy moment and nice time here, cause bawdacat is here every time. Nah give up. Remember me telling you, nah give up. I mean, nah switch.
No, we have to do the
Remember
right
good no
thing.
man. Yeah, man.
I mean, nobody's straight with men.
Alright, brother.
No negative we not run with.
None.
I will not take on no negative
Alright.
speech neither.
Remember good no man? Yeah, man.
So anything you want to say negative, you just say it.
Yeah, you can always think me negative.
Yeah, you're not trouble with.
It no trouble me. Me knowing of myself, me I want the positive switch. So if you want tell yourself, say, bawdacat so negative, it's up to you. You're far from positive.
Right.
You understand me? You know that man I just sit, you know. Many people like sour things, you know. Some like it when it's sweet. Some like bitter things. Some like it when it's fresh. So who is me? You understand me? Me have my own choice. You have your own. You want to tell me something if you like bitter something like it, huh? Eh?
Yeah, that's the one.
No. You can't choose that for me. Me likes things were sweet, you like what fresh.
Yeah,
Now
man.
with that man, I think blend same way, no, man.
That's true, man.
Yeah man, me feel like what fresh with you. And if me not like what fresh me, I know nothing. Yeah, fuck yourself, man. Then you
Yeah,
want
that-
choose my road for me.
Yeah.
No man, I no say thing, come on. Yeah man. We have black, we have brown, we have blue, we have brown, we have white, we have green. Which one you choose? Who is me fi bex choose you have a choice? Are you make all these things we make choice of color?
Yeah.
Eh? Choice of color is there for all of you know. Yes, so you have a choice, me have one. You see me? So we not have to go on like say brother, this thing have to be partiality. You know? So if you not like when me like me and you can't be good. No my life no go so man. Me no look at it at that.
That's true, man.
No man. That road they no good man. You have to
And fair
think
road
different man, yeah man. Fair road that brother. Yeah man.
I mean, now what I feel like.
It's not a must. You find it happen at times.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, you find it happen at times. But not all the time. Who is your febex with me through me no like what you like?
That me I said too.
Who is you? You did give me what me have?
No.
Are you give me life?
No.
Are you give me choice?